The AMTIFO Wireless Carplay with Dashcam offers an easy installation process that takes only 5 minutes, making it an excellent choice for those who want to avoid complex wiring and original radio removal. Compatible with all vehicles, this car stereo brings the modern features of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto to older cars, enhancing your driving experience with hands-free calls, navigation, and entertainment. This all-in-one device integrates CarPlay, video recording, and reversing functionalities, providing a comprehensive solution for entertainment, navigation, and safety needs. Equipped with dual cameras, the AMTIFO CarPlay features a 2.5K front camera and a 1080p rear camera, ensuring clear image quality and accurate recording of your surroundings. The backup camera, with a 150-degree ultra-wide angle, offers effective auxiliary reversing, making it easier to park and enhancing overall driving safety. The 7-inch touchscreen provides excellent visibility and touch responsiveness, seamlessly blending into your car's interior and making it easy to read text and navigate without distraction.